The poem from Savi Kannada grade 3. The name of the poem is Tutturi. It is written by J.P. Rajaratnam. Tutturi means a musical instrument like a trumpet. Let's look at the poem now. ಬಣ್ಣದ ತಗಡಿನ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡನು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಸರಿಗಮ ಪದನಿಸ ಊದಿದನು ಸನಿದಪ ಮಗರಿಸ ಊದಿದನು. So bannada means colorful, tagadina made of thin metal foil, tutturi trumpet, kasu is money, kondanu is bought, and udidanu is to blow. So there is a boy, this boy's name is Kasturi. Kasturi bought a colorful trumpet which was made out of a metal foil. He paid money and he got it. That is the first two lines. Bannada tagadina tutturi kasige kondanu kasturi. Kasturi bought a colorful trumpet which was made of metal by paying money. Sarigama padanisa udidanu sanidapa magarisa udidanu. So Sarigama padanisa are the musical notes. So he played or he blew that into the trumpet. He played the musical notes on the trumpet. Tanage tutturi ideyanda verarigu adu illenda kasturi nadedanu ಬೀದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಂಬದ ಕೋಳಿಯ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. Tanage means only he. Ide means has. Verarigu nobody else. Illenda do not have. Nade is walk. Bidi is streets, Jamba is proud, Koli is cock, Ritiyali means like. So, Tutturi, he said, only I have this trumpet. Tanage Tutturi ideyanda means only I have this beautiful trumpet with me. Verarigu adu illenda, nobody else is having this. Kasturi nadedanu beediyali, and he walked on the streets. Jambada koliya ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ like a proud cock. So Kasturi walked on the streets telling only I have a trumpet, nobody else has this trumpet. He was so proud that only he had it and he was walking like a proud cock on the streets. Then Tutturi ಯೂದುತ ಕೊಳದ ಬಳಿ ನಡೆದನು ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಸಂಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾರಿತು ನೀರಿಗೆ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಗಂಟಲು ಕಟ್ಟಿತು ನೀರೂರಿ. So kere means kola means pond, bali is near, sanje in the evening, jaru to slip and fall, gantalu kattu means sound was stuck, neeruri wet. So one evening Kasturi was blowing his trumpet and he went near the pond. Tutturi yuduta kolada bali. So blowing his trumpet, he went near the pond. Nadedanu Kasturi sanjayali. Sanjay is evening. So one evening, Kasturi went near the pond blowing his trumpet. Then the trumpet slipped from his hand and it fell into the water. Jaritu neerige tutturi means the trumpet slipped and fell into the water. Gantalu kattitu neeruri. So now, because it fell into the water, it became wet. And the sound was not coming out of that instrument. The sound was getting stuck. Just like when you have a sore throat, sometimes your voice is stuck. You're not able to talk clearly. Just like that, this trumpet fell into the water and the sound wasn't coming out of it. Then, Sarigama ಊದಲು ನೋಡಿದನು ಗ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಸದ್ದನು ಮಾಡಿದನು ಬಣ್ಣವು ನೀರಿನ ಪಾಲಾಯ್ತು ಬಣ್ಣದ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಬೋಳಾಯ್ತು. So he took Kasturi took it out and he tried to blow the musical notes, but a proper sound never came out. Only ga 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 like that sound was coming out of that trumpet. And all the color was also gone. It was a colorful trumpet, right? But because it fell into the water, it fell into the pond, it lost all its colors. And ಬಣ್ಣದ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಬೋಳಾಯ್ತು. So it started looking very plain and bare because its color was lost. All the paint went and fell off in the water and it got washed away in the water. Then ಬಣ್ಣದ ತುತ್ತೂರಿ ಹಾಳಾಯ್ತು ಜಂಬದ ಕೋಳಿಗೆ ಗೋಳಾಯ್ತು. So the colorful trumpet got spoiled because it fell into the water, it lost its color and it was also not making any sound. So that got spoiled. And Jambada Koli, who is the proud cock here? Kasturi. Kasturi was feeling very proud, right? That only I have this trumpet. Now he also started feeling sad because the trumpet has gone bad. Now he cannot do anything with that trumpet.